Hi guys, so today we are going to unbox this Squid Game doll series and this, I don't know what is this. So we are going to unbox these Squid Game toys that we just bought in the market. I meant the mall, in the Alpha Mart, alright? No tricks, okay? This time, no tricks. Wait, let's get to opening this one. Oh, let's go open it. Oh, okay, come out, Squid Game doll. Oh, right, there we go. This Squid Game doll. Wait, I noticed there's a light in it. How does it work? Here's the light. Hold on. Alright, so it says colored white. See here? You see it? It says a color white. But where is it really? What's this? Okay. Alright, so I can make movies with this. Right, on to the second and last toy. Squid Plan. I don't know what are these. Oh, it isn't yet. Maybe it's... Even though I'm wearing a Squid Game merch, here, that's sus. Alright, I'm in the mood for unboxing Squid Games. What's this? Whoa. Oh my god, so this is... Alright. It's like this, it's funny. Oh, even the front man is like this. Oh my god, this is like what? We got the players. Oh, it's 4, 5, 6. Alright. Oh. Let's unbox all of them. Alright, there's so many of them. Oh my god. How long is this gonna take? Alright, so many guards. Oh. We got so many of them. Oh. Whoa. Would you look at this? It says that's a pocket. I wonder if there's some more shapes. I mean, like, it's not just circles. There's gotta be a triangle and a square too. Alright. 4 players here. Oh, all of them are circles. Alright, wait. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna make an animation of this.
Yeah, do it again.